everyone. So we tried to come here yesterday and it just didn't work out. So
we're bringing Daddy.
Look who we got today. Hey. So we're here at the Herd Nature Museum in McKinney, and we have a membership, so we're just gonna go on in and take a look around. This is only our second time back here. We got our membership back in June, so let's go check it out, fam.
Yeah!
Yay! All right, let's go. Let's go, Goonie Toonie.
I'm doing what I need to. I'm trying to get to the block.
Okay, did you get it?
Yeah, I did it.
Good deal.
I want to get.
Olive pointed out last time we were here.
Water's gone.
That's right, Belly. Last time we were here, they had the water out. And it's dried up.
Oh, no, Mama.
It evaporated.
It's flowing.
Yeah. Because we don't get very much rain in Texas.
Oh,
Do you have the payment in the credit card?
Where are we going? Ooh, dinos. Tyler's with like Olive, these are fossils. Do you want to come see the fossils and the geodes? You see, Belly? What do you think? It's a rock. You like rocks, huh? Oh, guys, there's a beehive over here. I had one of these at the Clinton Library, too. It's like a clear beehive where you can see them all working. And you're supposed to be able to look and find the queen. We've never been able to find them. Look at that. Look how hard they're working. Those busy bees. Do you see? Do you remember there was one of these at the Clinton Library? When we used to go to that in Little Rock? Do you remember we used to look for the queen?
I remember them. I remember.
Like Pawpaw when he takes care of his bees.
Take a shoot. Take a shoot. Take a shoot. Yeah, come over.
Have a sit.
Hello, Belle.
Oh, that was that.
Oh, not much. What about you? Hey, wait real quick before you leave. What's Cat Rat doing?
See those spaceships?
What?
Yeah!
That's silly, Cat Rat. Okay, see you soon.
Bye!
Bye.
Oh, that was that.
Oh, hey, Belle. Nothing much. What about you? Bye. See you soon.
Is this an ant farm? I'm not sure. Okay. It's like a oh my gosh, Olive. Is this the what's it called? Do you remember? Let's use our inside voice, Belly.
I think it's called the Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus. Plesiosaur.
Plesiosaurus, yes. It's called the Plesiosaurus. Plesiosaurus, yes. Mom, look behind you.
Ooh, that's pretty.
A baby saurus. A baby saurus.
A baby saurus?
A baby saurus, yeah.
Oh, these are fossils.
Tootsie was an adult.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Is that exciting?
Who's this?
These are Texas treasures. These are things that were found in Texas. Oh, you okay, Sissy?
Oh
That was a good one. Concrete.
yeah. Who's this?
It's a geode.
Leo!
Yeah, look how pretty it is.
Wow.
All this stuff was found here in Texas. Pretty cool. What are these? A shark tooth? Brittle store. Shark tooth. Sea urchin. Look at all the pretties.
Yeah, and Vlog, look how pretty these are.
Oh, this is the sea turtle skeleton that you guys were talking about. Or the turtle skeleton.
Oh,
So is the shell made out of bone too?
okay.
Let's
Hello, Dad.
There's a pin butterfly in the very top. The little skeletons look so small.
Is this a children's museum?
Oh my gosh. Wow.
That bird's eating another bird.
It is immortalized in that position. It's like, oh man, they're gonna put you in the museum. Don't touch, let's just look. I don't know if we're allowed to touch it. Can you say cheese? Jim Belly?
I'm making a blue racer.
What's a blue racer?
It's a blue snake that is fast, I think. I don't know for sure, but I think. I'm actually drawing a type here now that I thought of it. And let me write the tongue.
You want to do it too? Okay.
Um,
Let me see.
I look at my.
Blue racer?
I have a blue racer and a bunch of hearts around.
Hold it up so I can see, please.
Okay.
Hey, there's a turtle over here. A real life one.
A real live turtle?
Wait, what? What's that real life turtle? Oh, I see it.
Olive, what is the turtle doing right now?
It is basking in the sunlight. Don't worry, boy. This is normal for turtles.
So why does he have to bask? What does that do?
It just,
Belle, stay back.
I forgot what.
Oh, really?
It's there all the time. It's not usually on that perch.
Or do you want to go see the... He's trying to get out.
Austin, come over here.
She said he's a troublemaker. All right, Belly, you want to go see the snakes? Oh my goodness. We are in snake territory. Is this a Burmese python?
I don't know.
Leo? Oh no, Leo is a boa constrictor.
Here's the head.
Here we go. Down, Mama. Here we go.
He's hiding back there. There's he. There's his little head. Here he comes. He's smelling. Holy mackerel.
I see his has a leg.
Yowzer. Oh my gosh.
Is that cute?
No, he's just right here.
Wow.
Hey, you remember Daddy telling you the story about Grandpa seeing the snake hanging from the truck?
It was that one.
It was that kind of snake right there.
Texas rat snake.
I never heard that story. Tell me it.
Austin, look at what this guy eats. Look at.
This is a Texas. Like this one shines all
Guys.
Yeah. Oh,
I think that's a soft shell up there with the beak.
yeah. Red eared sliders.
Oh my gosh.
I've never seen a horned frog before.
That
little
one
alligators?
look like a sea Mama.
The milk snake? Yeah, you're in between a milk snake and a key snake.
Where's that?
Them is right there.
Wait, where's
It's a
that?
baby rat, a baby alligator, yeah.
The alligator.
spiders. Hey, boys, you must see spiders.
What do you think?
I guess he goes. I guess he goes. Let me see this side. I'm guessing. I'm making it down.
Up or down? That's it. There's only Texas brown sugar.
Mom, I'm guessing this is an axolotl.
Oh, the females live up to 30 years.
Oh, there's R's over here.
Yeah.
That looks like an octopus. R is an axolotl. Olive, you're right. Good job.
And I She is an octopus.
Octopus? Yup.
Wait, why are they moving?
They're dead, sadly. Oh, look at the little tiny one. Little tiny turtle.
I feel bad for them.
That they passed away.
Yes.
Yeah, it's so tarantulas.
They kept the really interesting ones right here. Mama, I want to see. I need to hold you.
You need to hold me?
Yes.
Some of these remind me of the instruments that they would use in.
Oh, is this a puffer fish? This is like the Ursula necklace.
Look cuties.
Right there, those spiky ones.
Mom, look at those shells.
They're pretty, huh?
Yeah, I'm right.
They're so cute. Do you guys see how little?
Hey, Belle.
Hey, I'll be right back to see if
Hey, Belle.
jacket, okay?
Hey, Belly. What'd you think about it? Belle, what'd you think about it? Snakes? What'd you think about the animals?
So delicious.
Hey, Olive.
If I got this steak, I gave you this steak.
Hey, this snake's gonna eat you.
No, it's not. This is a garter snake. It's protecting me. This is a garter snake. It's protecting me. Go down the dino path.
There's trails and stuff too. This is back behind.
To the animal path.
Let's do it. You don't know what the kind this is? Also, it looks like... No, Bella's not here for that. Hey, dino friend. He's saying hi to us. That's all. Did you know in 2015 a 4-year-old from Texas discovered rare dino bones? Fun fact. Are you scared? Who are those guys? That's a Parasaurolophus, right?
Yeah.
That one. What's the other little guy? Oh, here it is. It has a name. You want me to read about it? Baryonyx. It's a predatory dinosaur with jaws that resembled a crocodile. Oh, these look like rideables. Do you want to do the dino dig? Is that a friend? He's a nice one.
Here, I'll help you on the other one, Olive.
Easy. Good dino. Good dino.
Cephalosaurus, Albert, and that is in the Baryonyx.
And who's the Parasaurolophus?
I was changing his name to Buddy. Dinosaur. And that. What's name? Down, Dapper,
I guess you can bring food.
Down, Dapper. Easy, boy.
Easy, Dapper. Easy, Dapper. Easy, Dino. Easy, Dino. Easy. Easy, Dapper. Easy. Can somebody get me off of this?
Can you guys say cheese?
We have a big T-Rex. Help! There's a T-Rex here. Beaky, they're in a T-Rex situation.
Do they need our help?
Big Cutie's in a T-Rex situation. Dad, Big Cutie's in a T-Rex situation.
Does baby cutie need backup?
Yeah, Mom, I need to get down. You need to let go of your log. Dapper, easy.
Easy, Dapper, easy.
We're gonna go help her friend. Easy, Dapper. Come here, Big Cutie.
This isn't a T-Rex. This has some kind of frill.
Yeah, it is a T-Rex. Hey, Cutie, what were you talking about?
Baby cutie cried wolf, cried T-Rex. This guy doesn't exactly look friendly.
I don't want you. What should we name him?
Here, let's see. He is a Cryolophosaurus.
Let's name him.
Ty?
I mean, let's name her
Kai?
Kai.
Okay.
Kaya.
Kaya. Which way do we go?
Kaya.
This way? This way?
Which way should we go? That way or that
I
way?
think we should keep going this
This way?
way.
I think you're right.
Let's go.
What?
A T-Rex is behind you.
What?
A raptor's behind you.
Behind me? Behind who?
Behind you. A raptor. A raptor's behind you.
No, his name is Ying.
I can go down to my zoo today.
Whatever you're cooking smells good. You got any extra for me?
Oh, I got some blueberry pie at my house.
Lovely.
How about you go live up there in that alley?
I'll go live in this house. Come on in. We've just, been busy. Come
Whoa.
on in. You hungry?
Well, I already got some blueberry pie at my house.
Oh, you didn't bring me any.
Oh, here's some. You can have mine.
Delicious.
I did go cook some for my other neighbor.
For your other neighbors? That's very kind of you. These are so cutie. See Daddy over there. You can't see him because it's dark. Hey neighbor,
Oh, hi.
how are you?
I'm just waiting. I just got a little break from eating the blueberry pie. Now I'm delivering it to my neighbor. Hi, neighbors. Hi, crazy neighbors.
I got you.
Here's my blueberry pie. Whoa. Hi, guys. Here's our blueberry pie.
Ah, thank you. Thank
It's
you, neighbor.
delicious. I just wanted to climb back up.
What a lovely day for a pie. The weather's nice. The sun is shining.
You have a really nice porch.
My house now.
Yes.
It's a little bit bigger, too.
Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, your house is bigger. I like your shelves and your balcony. Oh my goodness. Do you usually have a T-Rex in your yard?
Yeah.
Who is that? Is it dangerous?
No. And I also have a cheetah in that corner.
A cheetah?
And also some snakes down there.
Oh my
But
goodness.
it's fine. They're
Are
nice.
you some kind of wilderness explorer?
Yeah. And my benches. And I got some blueberry pie in the kitchen cooking.
More blueberry pie? Thank you.
I'm in that. I'm gonna.